Hi guys, welcome to IAS with Santosh. In this video, I'll be giving you important themes and topics which are important from the geography section for the prelims 2023. Guys, as far as geography is concerned, if you analyze the type of questions coming in the prelims in the last 4-5 years, you will discover that very few core geography oriented questions come in the prelims examination, and most of the questions coming from the geography section are map oriented. However, you cannot completely discard the basic concepts because there are 2 to 3 questions coming every year from the core geography also. So in this video, I'll be giving you exactly the topics and sections which you need to revise before the prelims examination, and also I'll be giving you the important map points which are expected in the prelims 2023. Guys, you need to balance your time very strategically. Most of the students, what they do, they over invest time in the physical geography, and when it comes to mapping, they are under prepared. So don't make that mistake. Okay, so let us begin. So guys, as far as physical geography is concerned, there are few important topics from geomorphology which are important for this year. These are, first of all, Earth's internal structure, particularly Earth's core. This has been in news. Next, continental drift. This is again very important. You can read this from the NCERT. Then guys, plate tectonics, because of the Turkey earthquake, this plate tectonics is also very important. And then the sea floor spreading is very important this year. This was also in news. So these are some basic concepts which you need to prepare as far as geomorphology is concerned. You can prepare landslides also. These are also in news. Next, coming to the climatology is not that important this year. However, there are some important themes which you need to revise once. Okay, the first theme is the climate change and extreme weather conditions, particularly its impact on India. Next, cloud bursts are very important, and you can expect a question coming from the cloud burst. Then guys, heat waves as are important. They are increasing, particularly urban heat island. You need to prepare that. Then bomb cyclone and Fujiwara effect. These two are important issues which were in news in the last 1 year. Next guys, marine heat waves. This is very important. Marine heat waves, you need to prepare that. Then Arctic warming and Arctic amplification is an important theme which you need to prepare. Okay, so this you can link to melting of glaciers also. So, and last but not the least is the topic of atmospheric rivers. Guys, this is an important and new topic, atmospheric rivers. They can ask you atmospheric rivers. Coming to oceanography. Okay, so this is one of the most important theme which can come in UPSC prelims 2023. I am expecting, according to my analysis, at least 2 questions coming from oceanography. So please prepare this properly from the NCERT. So you can start with your basics. What are tides? What are ocean currents? What are difference between tides and currents? Then what is the salinity profile? What is the temperature profile? What is the bottom topography of ocean? And then climate change and oceanography. So these are the type of themes where questions can come. Next, marine resources are very important. Deep sea mining is very important. Here, concerns of deep sea mining and India's deep sea mining mission is also very important. Coming to Indian geography. In Indian geography, islands are very important. Please prepare islands properly, particularly Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next, Western Ghats. This region you need to prepare Western Ghats properly. A lot of questions can come from Western Ghats. Next, Himalayas, particularly the lat subsidence in Himalayas. This is very important. Next, Indian soil. Soil types and nutrients efficiency is very important. This has been in news. Next, hydropower in the Himalayas are also very important. Next, the theme of drought is very important. You need to prepare exactly what is drought, what are the different types of drought, etc. Next guys, Indian monsoon, onset and withdrawal, Indian Ocean dipole, El Nino, La Nina is very important, cloud burst. And then guys, as far as map points are concerned, Yamuna river is very important, and Nilgurunji blooming in Nilgiris. As far as economic geography is concerned, this year, every year UPSC will ask one question from crops. So this year, coffee crop is important, millets is important, wheat is important, rubber is important, jute is important, and silk is important. Out of these crops, at least one crops is going to come in the UPSC prelims 2023. Then guys, purple revolution, coal as a mineral coal. Then you can see they can ask you copper, they can ask you gold, they can ask you bauxite. So they can ask you these kinds of minerals. Next, millet cultivation is very important. Their uses, their areas, etc etc. Millets are very important. You need to prepare this topic. Definitely I must tell you, one question is going to come. Mostly the question will be on the geographical distribution, the cropping pattern and its health impact. Okay, next, fertilizers are also very important, as far as Indian economic geography is concerned. Next, as far as infrastructure is concerned, they can ask you industrial development corridor and dedicated freight corridor and national waterways, very important. Then guys, lithium is a very important mineral which is very important for the prelims, and the new lithium discovered in Jammu and Kashmir, that can also be a point of question. Next, traditional water harvesting systems are also in news. Last but not the least, critical minerals and strategic minerals are very important. You can prepare this from economic survey. It has been covered very well in economic survey, critical minerals, strategic minerals. Coming to human geography, population analysis is very important. India has overtaken China in that context. Population is very important, particularly demographic dividend and aging. Next, various tribal communities like Changpa, etc are in news, so that is also important. Coming to places in news, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the most important map points this year. Next is the Western Ghats. Then guys, some of the active volcanoes throughout the world. Is important. Next, Amarnath caves. Amarnath caves. That stalagmite and stalactite. This is very important. Then Verinag. Then Kerala sinking island, Mundro. Thuruthu Island. Important rivers and lakes in the world like Rhine River, Po River, Danube River, Rhine, Po and Danube River. Important man-made lakes in India. Then Vizhinjam port in India and other major ports. Then rivers which are in news are Sukapaika, Kushiara, Barak, rivers of Kerala. Tal Kaveri, etc. Then transboundary rivers are very important. Then places like Parasnath, Koppal, mountain passes in Himalayas. Mathewara forest, Yaya, Taso, Arivati, Aritapati biodiversity heritage site in Tamil Nadu. Then Hanle in Ladakh, Uga Valley, Verinag, Mamlu Cave, and India-China dispute. As far as boundary disputes, that is important. As far as world geography mapping is concerned, Great Rift Valley is one of the most important topic this year. Then guys, Sahel region, Sahel region and Horn of Africa. So these are the three areas where question can come, map related question in Africa. Particularly Sahel region, Mali, very important, and Horn of Africa also very important, Somalia, etc. Coming to the choke point, Strait of Hormuz and Malacca is very important. Great Lakes is also very important. This year was it in news. Then guys, Farzad B gas field. Then disputed islands. Then Xinjiang region, Bosphorus and Dardanelles Straits, Black Sea is very important. Please prepare this straits. Mantrux. Convention. For this straits. Next, you need to prepare areas in Ukraine which were in news as far as nuclear plants are concerned, as far as ports are concerned, very important. Then Black Sea I have already told you. Red Sea also is very important. Drying rivers of the world like Danube, Rhine, Po, etc. So guys, overall these are the important topics which you should prepare. I have already prepared Optima notes on these topics. So if you do not have Optima notes, please do find Optima notes, and also I will be giving you some Optima cards for quick revision. Thank you friends, bye bye, take care. Please do consider liking this video and sharing this video with your friends. Guys, I have published important topic list for most of the subjects, and I believe most of the questions will come around this topic list which I have published. Thank you friends, bye bye, take care.